everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV Scanner from the 8th to the 12th of December 2025 on Monday. Mdala takes a stand that could change everything as Hloko's fate hangs in the balance. Two Heart chose a hidden path that for the sake of calm. A mother's new pursuit of pleasure unwittingly entwines with her son's professional world. On Tuesday, Mdala's temper flare when a mistake put them at a risk, and revenge might be on its way. When victory finally makes his move, Vuvu's answer opened the door to something unexpected, but also stumbles upon the truth on Wednesday. Hloke wrestles with how to break the news to Vuvu. The unthinkable has happened. Dintle also confronted Dintle, and the truth he's uncovered could shatter the fragile trust between them. A heated moment between Botsotso and Tef spiral out of control on Thursday. Bruno doesn't care about his mistake. His demand remains unchanged, and the stake higher than ever. Madlomo's confession to Matubela hints at a romance growing more quickly than anyone imagined. The absence of a mother has left its mark on Botsotso, and Mamsi steps forward with a heartfelt promise on Friday. Bruno switches things up and asks for an impossible. Ntloso starts to wonder if the grass he left behind wasn't greener, and Botsotso has a plan to help his mother turn a new leaf. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.